Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to tonight's discussion on Super Gro. And today we explore the potential of Super Gro and its profound impact on farming practices. And Super Gro carries within it the power to transform the way we approach cultivation. It is a testament to the beauty of simplicity and the incredible possibilities that lie within nature itself. So with Super Gro, we find a solution that optimizes water, unlocking its true potential. It allows us to see water in a new light beyond its basic wetness and helps us understand its ability to nourish and sustain life. This remarkable formula acts as a catalyst, ensuring that water interacts with the soil and plant life in the most efficient and effective manner. It enables deeper penetration into the earth, empowering roots to reach new depths, absorbing vital nutrients and minerals for growth and vitality of our crops. So let me start here by highlighting on Neolife's unwavering dedication to science. Since 1976, they have demonstrated their commitment to scientific integrity through their esteemed Scientific Advisory Board, established by Dr. Arthur First, a renowned toxicologist and cancer researcher at the Stanford University. Now, Neolife's SAB is a vital component in upholding the scientific excellence of our products. And I greatly appreciate that they actively seek the input and opinions of external experts, ensuring a well-rounded and thorough approach. Now, this collaborative spirit reflects Neolife's innate curiosity and thirst for knowledge, and the establishment of the SAB was really a pioneering move in our industry. It has facilitated Neolife's extensive collaborations with scientists and researchers worldwide, earning them their well-deserved reputation for excellence that has endured for decades. Now, the challenges faced by farmers, which persist to this day, encompass a variety of aspects that I would like to touch on. These include the long-standing problems of runoff and soil erosion, along with the financial burden associated with costly agricultural inputs and outputs. Additionally, the recurring issues of pests, diseases, and the ever-growing impact of climate change, such as erratic seasons and prolonged dry spells, continue to plague the farming community. Now, furthermore, there exists a concerning over-reliance on chemical-based fertilizers and insecticides, while the lack of access to quality education for farmers hampers their potential for growth. And by addressing these challenges and empowering farmers, we can enhance their agricultural journey, create a more dynamic farming sector, and contribute to the well-being of society as a whole. And let's delve into the world of Super Gro, the focal point of tonight's presentation. Super Gro is not just an ordinary agricultural product. It holds a pivotal position in the field. It serves as a versatile agricultural ancillary or adjuvant, meticulously formulated to complement contemporary crop treatments and cutting-edge application equipment. And what sets Super Gro apart is its established efficacy, having undergone rigorous verification processes, making it a truly remarkable product. Now, Super Gro is an amazing solution that helps plants grow better. It has many benefits, especially in making water more available and helping it soak into the soil. This is crucial for agriculture because it allows the plant's roots to get the water and nutrients they need to grow well. In a nutshell, Super Gro helps water get to the plant's roots, making the plants grow better, while without it, water just runs off and the plants struggle to thrive. Another noteworthy attribute of Super Gro is its ability to amplify pesticide performance. In agricultural practices, it is common to incorporate various additives or inputs for diverse purposes, such as promoting flowering or protecting crops from frost. And what makes Super Gro stand out for its compatibility with these additives, particularly pesticides, by serving as a catalyst, Super Gro intensifies the efficacy of these partnered products. It acts as this vehicle that accelerates and it enhances the performance of these inputs, ensuring expedited crop growth and ultimately yielding higher crop yields. So whether you're growing wheat, fodder, trees, fruit, or you're involved in horticulture, Super Gro is suitable for all. Its versatility extends to the compatibility with other agricultural applications, allowing you to mix it with other various products, which is really, really amazing. With Super Gro as a powerful ally, the turnaround time for crop growth can be significantly reduced, empowering farmers with more efficient and productive agricultural journey. It's a multifaceted product with many benefits in improving the water availability, soil penetration, and pesticide performance, which makes it a valuable asset in modern farming day practices. And by harnessing the advantages of Super Gro, farmers can unlock the full potential of their crops, achieving remarkable outcomes, contributing to the advancement of sustainable agriculture. Now, let's examine exactly how Super Gro works and the mechanism of action. And we talk about Super Gro making water wetter. And this may initially seem confusing because water is already considered wet. But water is already wet because it's a liquid, right? And adding more water doesn't make it more wet. It just increases the amount of water that you have. It's important to note that while water cannot become wetter, the addition of surfactants or wetting agents like Super Gro can modify the properties of water. And how does this happen? When you mix surfactants with water, they work like friendly connectors. These substances enhance the wetting capabilities of water, allowing it to spread and adhere more effectively to surfaces. And in simpler terms, surfactants act like friendly mediators between water and other surfaces. They make water want to spread out and cover more area, making it wetter and better at soaking into things. And Super Gro acts as an emulsifier and an adjuvant, a spreader, a sticker, and a wetting agent. And when mixed with water, it optimizes the availability and behavior of water. And instead of the water just rolling off the surfaces, the solution containing Super Gro enables better adhesion and reduces runoff and evaporation. This improved water retention is particularly beneficial for agricultural settings. Now, farmers and growers have reported that even during hot periods, when dew typically evaporates, the application of Super Gro on crops can help retain water, resulting in the presence of dew even at midday. And this reduction in evaporation allows for better water retention where it is needed. Moreover, Super Gro facilitates deeper penetration of water into the soil, promoting the growth of roots and the ability to acquire essential nutrients. The solution can be sprayed on both the soil and the leaves of the crops, allowing for optimal absorption and utilization of water and nutrients by the plants. What can this remarkable product be used for? And the answer is quite simple. Wherever water is needed in an agricultural setting, Super Gro can be applied. Whether you're using fertilizers, pesticides, fungicides, or herbicides, you can actually enhance their effectiveness by incorporating Super Gro. One of the key benefits of Super Gro is its ability to sticking and penetration. This means that when you spray your crops with fertilizer or other treatments, Super Gro acts as a sticker, allowing the product to stay on the surface of the plant for longer. This provides the desired protection and ensures your inputs don't go simply washed away. Furthermore, Super Gro acts as an emulsifier, facilitating the dissolution and spread of substances. And in the context of soil, this means that it helps prevent dryness, create more favorable environment for plant growth. Now, Super Gro is cost-effective and a versatile agricultural product that offers numerous benefits to farmers. It only requires a small amount per application, making it extremely economical. It mixes both with hard and soft water and has an extremely long shelf life. A 5-liter bottle of Super Gro, for instance, can provide approximately 250 applications when you're using a 20-liter knapsack or backpack, ensuring long-lasting usage and economic benefits. One of the greatest advantages of Super Gro is also its ability to make water more available to plants. By optimizing the utilization of water in the soil, Super Gro ensures that every drop counts. This is especially beneficial for farmers who rely on rainwater as a water source, as it allows them to capitalize on the morning and evening dew by retaining that moisture. The secret to Super Gro lies in its innate ability to make water wetter. By enhancing water's ability to penetrate deeper into the plant's root systems, Super Gro delivers life-sustaining moisture where it's needed the most. This not only brings more water to the plants, but it also minimizes water loss due to evaporation and runoff. And the best part is that you can use Super Gro at any time, not only during the rainy season. Super Gro has delivered impressive results in combating crop infections. In collaboration with the University of Nairobi and the School of Agriculture, extensive testing was conducted to assess its effectiveness. And what did they find? When Super Gro was used together with the different pesticides on tomatoes and French beans, it showed amazing results. Tomatoes, it decreased early blight by 46%, which was even better than just using a fungicide alone. When combined with market-leading pesticides, Super Gro reduced whitefly and aphid infestations in tomatoes by 63% and 94% respectively. Similarly for French beans, Super Gro with pesticides reduced whitefly and aphid infestations by 66% and 79% respectively. And there's more good news. When Super Gro was used with a fungicide on French beans, it reduced angular leaf spot by 41%. And for roses, Super Gro was also effective in reducing red spider mite infestations by 43% and powdery mildew by 33% when used alongside the right treatments. So essentially, what does this all mean? It simply means that Super Gro is a powerful tool in combating crop infections, offering farmers a valuable means to protect their crops, increase their yields. By using Super Gro in combination with other crop treatments like a fungicide or pesticides, significant improvements in disease control and pest management have been observed across various crops, including tomatoes, French beans, and roses, as I've mentioned. So a final recap. Super Gro is a game changer when it comes to maximizing crop yield and profits. By enhancing water's abilities to penetrate and nourish the plants, it ensures that every drop of water is used effectively. This is particularly beneficial for farmers relying on rainwater as a water source, as Super Gro helps retain moisture and make the most of morning dew and evening condensation, as mentioned before. Not only does Super Gro optimize water usage, but it also enhances the performance of crop treatment products. So it acts as a sticker, allowing fertilizers or pesticides, fungicides, herbicides to adhere better to plant surfaces, preventing washout and ensuring longer lasting effectiveness. This improves the protection and overall health of crops, leading to improved yields and improved profitability. The versatility of Super Gro is another notable advantage. It can be used on a wide range of crops, including cash crops like tea leaves and coffee, as well as various indoor and outdoor plants. Its compatibility with other agricultural applications allows for convenient mixing, making it a valuable addition to any farming routine. Now, farmers can take advantage of Super Gro's economical nature with its highly concentrated formula. So 1 ml to 1,000 milliliters, so 1 ml to 1 liter. Only a small amount is needed for each application, resulting in significant cost saving. This efficacy is further amplified by the long-lasting nature of Super Gro, as a single bottle can provide numerous applications, stretching your investment and maximizing returns. In addition to its effectiveness and economic benefits, Super Gro is safe, easy to use and handle. It's non-toxic, a non-flammable product, ensuring a hassle-free and secure application process. Farmers can have peace of mind knowing that Super Gro has a proven performance track record backed by years of scientific research and customer satisfaction. And in conclusion, Super Gro offers a comprehensive solution for farmers looking to maximize crop yield, profits, and overall agricultural efficiency. With its ability to optimize water usage, improve performance of crop treatment products, versatility across a wide range of crops, cost effectiveness, safety, and proven performance, Super Gro is a valuable tool in the pursuit of agricultural success. Thank you very much.